Yes, good morning students. Myself Gitika Kalra, and today in this GK video we are going to do the chapters from page number 38. Okay, so all of you take out your page number 38. Now the first question is, first of all the chapter is about the insects. So the chapter name is World of Insects. Now your first question is, male mosquitoes do not feed on blood, instead they suck nectar. Second, the grasshopper has its ears located near its knees. Third, the praying mantis is an insect that feeds on other insects. Fourth, all two-winged insects including mosquitoes are referred to as flies. Fifth, the common garden spider can lay up to 600 eggs at one time. Sixth, moths are attracted to white flowers in particular because they can see well in relative darkness. Seventh, of the 40,000 species of flies, the most commonly known is the housefly. Eighth, a firefly is not a fly despite its name, but it is a beetle. Ninth, the three sections of an insect's body are the head, thorax and abdomen. And the last, wasps in nets are constructed from wasp paper extracted from wood by the queen wasp. Now all of you take out next page, and the page number is 40. All of you take out page number 40. Yes, so this is the page number 40. Now in this we will learn about the raindrops. So first is, the visible mass of millions of tiny droplets of water in the sky is known as clouds. Second, small balls of ice that fall like rain from the sky during a thunderstorm is the hail. Third, a fine vapor that blurs our vision is mist. Fourth, light rain falling in the form of refined drops is drizzle. Fifth, tiny droplets of water formed on ground and plant leaves is known as dew. Sixth, the tropical storms forming in Indian Ocean are called typhoons. Seventh, when temperature of the clouds reaches below freezing point, the water vapor inside it turns into ice crystals and fall on earth as snow. Next answer, 8. The rainfall in cold desert is in the form of snow. 9th, when gases released by industrial units combine with fog, they form smog. S is for smoke and fog, OG. SM for smoke and OG from fog. 10th, water vapor condensed into fine particles just above the earth's surface which affect visibility is known as fog. Now all of you take out next page, that is page number 41. Now let us see page number 41. Which is the oldest Hindu scripture? Answer is Rig Veda. Second, which is the last of the four Vedas? Atharvaveda. Third, which Hindu god is said to have two faces, one beneficent and one malignant? Answer is Agni. Fourth, who is eighth avatar of Lord Vishnu? Krishna. Fifth, who was instrumental in establishing Christianity in India? Answer is Saint Francis. Sixth, of which religion is Avesta a sacred text? Answer is Zoroastrianism. Seventh, what does the word azan in Islam mean? It is call to prayer. Eighth, to which republican tribe did Buddha belong? Shakyas. Ninth, in which city was Mahavira born? Vaishali. 10th, the threefold path is associated with Jainism. Now next, last you can see the brain gym. The word Sikh means Guru. And second, which is the oldest church in India? It is St. Francis Church. Okay. Now take out next page. Now we will do the next page, that is page number 42. All of you take out page number 42. Yes, now you can see page number 42. So, Lahore. The chapter is the riverside cities. So, Lahore is in country Pakistan. London, River Thames. Montreal, St. Lawrence. Allahabad, Ganga. New York, river is Hudson and country is USA. Paris, river is Seine. 7th, Moscow, river is Volga and country is Russia. Yangon, the country is Myanmar. Rome, river is Tiber. Then 10th, Cairo, river is Nile. 11th, Vienna, river is Danube. 12th, Warsaw, river is Vistula. 13th, Hamburg, country is Germany. And 14th, the country is Ukraine. Okay, you can watch this video again and again. You can pause this video and then you can do your work in your book. Now all of you take out next page, and that is page number, I am telling you which page you have to take out next. It is page number 46. Okay, so all of you take out page number 46 now. Yes, so this is page number 46. It is about cricket. So who was the first batsman to give out by the third umpire in one-day international? Answer is Kepler-Wessels. Second, who was the first Indian cricketer to score 300 against England in Lords? Answer is Dilip Vengsarkar. Third, which cricketer received the Man of the Match award in the final in the 2015 World Cup? Answer is Steve Waugh. Fifth, name Mahela Jayawardene partner who helped break the record for the highest partnership in Test cricket. So the answer is Kumar Sangakkara. Sixth now. Who was a South African batsman who made 175 runs in one-day international to help his team win the match against Australia, which had scored 434 runs for 4 wickets? So the answer is Herschel. 7th, which cricketer has made a total of over 15,000 runs in Test cricket? Answer is Sachin Tendulkar. 8th, name the umpire who was involved in the Oval Test controversy. Answer is Jarrell Hare. You can see all the spellings are given in the clue box. Okay. 9th, name the first wicket keeper to claim 400 Ismails in one-day international. The answer is Adam Gilchrist. Then 10th, name the cricketer who missed a perfect 100 Test average just by 4 runs. Answer is Donald Bradman. Then brain gym first. Which ground has hosted the maximum number of World Cup final matches? Answer is Lords. Second, who was the first player to score hundreds in both innings of his first Test as captain? So answer is Greg Chappell. Okay. Now take out next page. Page number 47. Yes, all of you take out page number 47. So 47 pages, Mughal period. First question, the founding of Allahabad is associated with which Mughal emperor? Akbar. Second, which Mughal emperor was also known as Prince Salim? Very easy, Jahangir. Third, the Battle of Jao was fought over the succession to the Mughal throne of India to determine the successor of Aurangzeb. Which Mughal emperor was the crown passed on to? Answer is Bahadur Shah. Fourth, who invaded Delhi in 1739 and plundered the Kohinoor diamond? Answer is Nadir Shah. Fifth, who was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India after defeating Ibrahim Lodi in Panipat? Babur. Sixth, which Mughal emperor real name was Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun? Seventh, his real name was Prince Khurram. He was a great lover of art and architecture. Some of his great works include Jama Masjid, Red Fort and Taj Mahal. It's very easy, Shah Jahan. 8th, name Akbar's uncle who served as his tutor and guardian and also won the throne of Delhi for him. It is Behram Khan. 9th, who was the revenue minister of Akbar and Sher Shah? Answer is Raja Todermal. 10th, name the last Mughal emperor of India. It's Bahadur Shah Zafar. Now some brain gym. Who was considered to be the most cruel Mughal ruler? Moti Masjid in Red Fort was built by him. Answer is Aurangzeb. Last, which garden in Kashmir was made by Shah Jahan for his wife? Answer is Shalimar Garden. Now let us take out next page. It is page number 48. This is the second last page for today's video, page number 48. So it is about modes to express. Different languages have different mode of express, like language that is read from right to left. First answer is Urdu. Second, from top to bottom, Chinese. Language that Jesus Christ spoke, Aramaic. Fourth, language of Brazil, Portuguese. Fifth, ancient South Indian language, Tamil. Sixth, most universally known language, English. Seventh, script for blind people, Braille. Eighth, language of Korean, Arabic. Ninth, earliest known language, Sumerian. 10th, Swahili spoken in East Africa. 11th, script of Nepali language, Devanagari. 12th, computer language, Basic. And 13th, language spoken by Iranians, it's Persian. Now let us do the last page for today, and this is the nature and science. It's very interesting. Temperature is measured by thermometer, speed of wind is measured by anemometer, atmospheric pressure, barometer, amount of rainfall, rain gauge, direction of wind, weather vane, humidity in air by hygrometer. Okay, now let us do match the column. Now first answer is B, second F, third E, fourth C, fifth A, and sixth D. It means limestone is made from skeletons, granite made of quartz, epicenter is an earthquake, it's strongest at this point, coral made by tiny sea creatures, quicksilver is the nickname of mercury, and hematite is an important iron ore. So my dear students, this was all for today. Now you do all this work in your book. Okay, and now hope to see you in the next video. Okay then, goodbye and take care.